2 plus x divided by 13, that's all in absolute value, equals -5. Okay, we can actually quit right here. Absolute value, one way to define it is that it's the distance from the quantity inside of the absolute value to the origin. So it's a distance. So can distance ever be negative? No. So there is no x whatsoever that we could plug in here will ever give us a -5 out. So the answer is empty set. Okay, another trick problem. -10 minus the absolute value of w is less than or equal to -2. Okay, let's isolate our absolute value. Okay, add 10 to both sides. And multiply both sides by -1 or divide by -1. Whichever way you want to think of it. We got to switch our direction of inequality. Okay, before we go any further, let's just look at this. Remember, absolute value is a distance. When is distance greater than or equal to -8? Always. That means regardless of what w we put in, it will always make this a true equation. So the answer is the set of real numbers. We're going to do another trick problem. 2 minus 3a, the absolute value of that, plus 2/3 is greater than or equal to -7/3. Okay, isolate your absolute value. Okay, I'm going to go off to the side in case you need to review your fractions. Same denominator, so we're just going to stick that down there and then subtract the numerators. -7 minus 2 is -9, which equals -3. So we have a -3. Now let's think about this. We have an absolute value, which can represent a distance, is greater than or equal to a negative number. When does that happen? Always, no matter what a we put in. So our solution set will be all real numbers.